today I am outside a store that I worked and collaborated with, and of course it is Coalition. It is, if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I have been working along with David Guizon to collaborate on a holiday collection with this brand, and I couldn't be more proud of this exciting collaboration, only because Coalition gave us free reign to actually come up with our own designs, and they just allowed us to let our personalities come through, and I'm so proud of this collection. And here it is, as you can see. That's my picture. This is so surreal because I never thought in a million years that I would come up with my very own collection, and I'm just so proud. This is how it feels to come up with your own design and for it to come to fruition, for the product to actually come to life and be here. It just feels amazing, and I'm so glad to be able to partner up with a local brand like Coalition, and I'm just so happy to be part of this collaboration. And of course, as you can see here, David Guizon is over here, and he has his own collection here. And for me, I have two designs. One is a polo shirt and another one is a shirt dress. But the polo shirt comes in 3 colors and the shirt dress comes in 2 colors. Okay, so let me show you how it looks. This is the polo shirt that I designed, and I am just so proud of it. So what makes this different is it actually has a scallop detail over here by the buttons and by the collar and here in the sleeve. And it comes in 3 colors. This one is the pink color. Then we have a lilac one, which is this one. And we have a red one, which is this one. Of course, we have David Guizon's collection, which is over here. He has a nice red shirt over here, a blue one with like white piping on the side. We have a t-shirt here in black and a navy, and he has a hoodie too. So this is really so cute, and I think it perfectly complements our personalities. So again, I couldn't be more happy or proud of this collection, and there's more to come in 2019, so watch out for it. And don't forget to visit the Coalition stores all around Metro Manila and send me a photo of you shopping here if you have the time. I would love to see it. Thanks, guys. It's definitely Christmas here at Dusit Hotel. It is so beautiful. Actually, this tree is just so gorgeous. It is definitely Christmas over here at Dusit Hotel, and I absolutely love their lobby. It's just so beautiful. It's just so beautifully decorated and so well lit. And yeah, I'm excited to go back to our room. Okay, so one of the best things about checking in Dusit Hotel is that Glorieta, SM Makati, and Greenbelt is just all walking distance from the hotel, and it just makes it so much easier to like go out, have dinner, and explore, go shopping. And that's really what I love about Dusit Hotel. The location is just excellent. Hi baby, what have you been doing?
Eating sugar coke!
Oh yeah! Hi, you miss me? So we got takeout from our favorite salad stop.
Chips.
Chips? What about you? I got you soup. This is yummy soup. You want some?
Yeah, and your apple and your orange, we will eat it over it like that.
Are you ready, Justin? 3, 2, 1, go! Go, 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 go! Get ready to jump! Oh! Are you ready?
Yeah!
And 3,
Yes!
2,
Oh yeah.
1, go! Run fast and jump! Go, 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 go! Ah! Oh, he didn't make it! He's hacking! Holy crap! Go! You can do it! Yeah! You made it!
Do you like your waffles, Tris? Is it good?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Why?
Yummy. The thumbs up. Oh.
My breakfast date. How is it?
It's waffle.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our room in Dusit Tani Hotel.
Look at my couch.
Hey Tris, you like your couch?
Yeah.
And look at the view.
Whoa, I like the buildings and the cars. Whoa. So high up there.
You like it?
Yeah, let's go to the bed, Mom. Let's go up.
What's here? We have a big...
So building so high. Whoa, so big. So big, Mom. Check out the building. Oh, look at in the building.
Oh, the building's tall.
have
Yeah. Mommy. Chicken.
and the bathroom. Guess what, Tris? You have a nice tub, bathtub. You put the water inside, and then you're gonna go swimming.
Yes, I'm in the bucket.
The bucket.
Yeah, the bucket. Let's go check out the bed.
Is this your favorite part of the room?
One rod.
Okay, show me.
One rod.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so I'm gonna give you an insider scoop on how an influencer like Bianca shoots her what is it? Product shots.
Yes.
Styling. Yeah, styling. It's very important to get those likes.
And you did yours already, right?
Yes, I did mine. So I'm kind of coaching her. Just kidding.
Yeah, I need tips, and thanks God for being here.
Actually, we just came back from a really fun Christmas party.
Super.
For Marie France and Facial
Facial
Care
care.
Center. And it was so strange because it started at 11 o'clock in the morning.
And it's karaoke.
Yeah, karaoke. With
Sakit na
drinks.
throat ko.
Actually, so yeah, I'm gonna show
You
you.
sing so well.
Yeah, I do, guys.
Kailangan niyo ng concert.
Yeah. Soon. Watch out for it. So, okay, I have clips. So,
Yeah, you will see in a bit, like, more of Kel's talent.
Actually, si Mika yung winner dito. So,
Si Mika
watch out
yung
for
close,
her.
tapos super
Yeah.
grand finale talaga.
Yeah, parang siya yung
And now we don't wanna sing anymore.
Talent. Oo nga, buti na lang siya yung last.
Exactly.
I could hear them now. They're singing. Ito na.
Baby,
What time is it? It is...
Grabe. This is how we roll, guys. Super.
you have to let it linger.
Grabe
Nothing's what I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. I'm pulling out your shape. Lying naked on the floor.
Hello.
The sun in my heart. The times in my life seem so low. I'm all out of love. What I want without you, I can't be too late to say that I was so wrong. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. Alam mo, Johnny. What are you waiting for? The baby for tonight. Let's take it slow, so slow. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, for you. We're coming, guys. Merry Christmas! Let's do the national thing where we sing. Sana mag-improve yung mga boses mo. Hindi monthly, guys.
Hey girls! Good mind. Enjoy the food.
Oh, it was really delicious. Thank you, Trufa.
Thank you very much. It's so amazing here. Oh my god. Hey guys, so the cleaning company Total Cleaners was just here in my living room, and oh my gosh, my living room is absolutely spotless and I'm just so happy about it. Everything is dust free, it's been vacuumed and cleaned, and they actually spent around 3 going on 4 hours just in my living room just to clean everything out, and they even cleaned the under of my couch, if you can believe that. So here is our living room. Everything is nice and clean. The carpet, the couches, the pillows, everything. Everything is just so clean and tidy, and no more dust, which is what I am most happy about.